Good morning, guys. Today we have to learn about the equivalent resistance of a Wheatson bridge. You know Wheatson bridge circuit. Four resistors are arranged as the four arms of a square. And one more resistance is connected across the opposite junctions, while across the opposite other two junctions the supply is connected. The resistors may be named as P, Q, R, S, and the junctions are named as A, B, C, D. The resistance between the two opposite junctions D and D may be small r. When the current is supplied from the source, the current is split at the junction A and passes through P and R resistors. At the junction B, the current coming from the P is divided and passing through small r and Q. The current coming through the small r and capital R met at the junction D and pass through the resistance S and reach the junction C. At the junction C, the two currents from the S and Q met together and going to the supply. In general, the ratio of the adjacent resistances of the Wheatson bridge circuit, if equal, that is P by Q is equal to R by S, we say that the bridge is balanced. What do you mean by bridge balance? When the bridge is balanced, that is P by Q is equal to R by S, then we say that the potential at the junction B, the potential at the junction D are equal. Because the potential at this junction and this junction are equal, there is no net current pass through the resistance small r. That is, the current through this resistance is 0. So we have to write simply the equivalent resistance of the Wheatson bridge when it is balanced between the junctions A and C, like this one. RAC is equal to, because no current is passing through the small resistance R, P and Q are in series, R and S are in series, and both the two are in parallel together, while the R is omitted from the circuit because there is no current passing through it. Therefore, equivalent resistance nothing but P plus Q in parallel combination with R plus S. This is the formula for a balanced Wheatson bridge circuit. Let us suppose if the ratio P by Q not equal to R by S, then what happens? Is the formula is to be used? This formula is to be used when there is no current through the small r. When P by Q not equal to R by S, there is a little current not equal to 0 passing through the resistance small r. Therefore, this resistance is also included in the equivalent resistance of the Wheatson bridge circuit. So you have to substitute another formula instead of this one because this formula is not sufficient. What the formula you have to follow? By the network theorems and Kirchhoff laws, we have to prove that the new formula for unbalanced weed circuit. This is for balanced circuit. For unbalanced circuit, the formula what you have to use. The formula what you have to use is 1P by Q naught equal to R by S. The resistance between the junctions A and C is equal to P plus Q parallel to R plus S with a multiplication factor. What that multiplication factor? In this factor, this small resistance R is also to be included. How? R plus P parallel to Q plus R parallel to S by small r plus P plus R parallel combination with Q plus S. This formula is to be used for unbalanced Wheatson bridge. If you have to find one circuit diagram as a practice, then you are understand this one. Let us suppose P resistance is equal to small r. This is already small r. Q is also small r. This is capital R. S is also Q is equal to capital R. This is capital R. S is equal to small r. Now you have to try to write the equivalent resistance for the circuit. Therefore, equivalent resistance for the circuit is equal to P plus Q. P is small r, Q is capital R. P plus Q is equal to small r plus capital R. R plus S. R plus S is equal to capital R. S is equal to small r. Both are same. Therefore, P plus Q, R plus S parallel combination is equal to what happen? You know. If two equal resistances are in parallel, X and X, their equivalent is equal to X by 2. Therefore, here P plus Q in parallel to R plus R, nothing but R plus small r by 2. Therefore, for this one, you have to write R plus R by 2. Now you are going to the factor. Now small r, this resistance they are giving as small r. P parallel to Q. P parallel to Q. It means two resistances, let us suppose P and Q in parallel. Their equivalent resistance is to be, you know the formula. PQ by P plus Q. Therefore, here R capital R by R plus R. Now R and S parallel combination. R and S. This is capital R, this is small r. Therefore, again the same. What about the denominator? Small r plus P plus R. P is what? R. R is capital R. P plus R is equal to R plus R. Q plus S. Q plus S is equal to capital R plus small r. Their parallel combination just like this one. What is the parallel combination? Both are same. Therefore, R plus capital R by 2. Now you have to simplify this one. Then you will get the formula for this one. Now, R plus R by 2. Taking LCM for the numerator. R plus R. R plus R is the LCM. Multiply this one. R square plus R into capital R. 2RR. RR. 2RR. Multiply. Here the LCM is 2. 2R plus R plus capital R. Simplify this one. This 2 get cancelled. R plus R get cancelled. R square 2RR plus RR 3R into capital R by 3R plus capital R. Now taking small r common in the numerator, what the formula you are getting? R plus 3 capital R by capital R plus 3R. This is the equivalent resistance for the unbalanced wheatson bridge. As an example, for the resistors small r, capital R and capital R. How do you remember this formula? Here R. Therefore R times this small r plus 3R by capital R plus 3 small r. This is the formula. This is the very most important example on unbalanced resistor bridge circuit. When P by Q not equal to R by S. Sometimes they may be giving certain values also instead of small r and capital R. Then also you have to use this formula and simplify the answer. Thank you.